Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Messenger. To fix common issues with Facebook Messenger, you can try the following steps. First, you need to check your internet connection, ensure that your device is connected to the internet, and try opening a website or using another app that requires an internet connection to verify. You could also try updating your app. Go to the Play Store on the bottom and look out for the Messenger app and simply tap on the Messenger app and make sure you are using the latest version of the Messenger app. Check your App Store for updates or your Play Store in Android and install them if available. You could also try restarting your Messenger app. First, open it and simply close it. Sometimes a simple restart can solve minor issues as well. You could also try restarting your device. Sometimes restarting your phone or computer can resolve app issues as well. Or you could also try reinstalling the app. If none of the steps work, go to Play Store, uninstall the Messenger app, and reinstall back again. This can fix any corrupted files or setting that may be causing issues. And if the issue persists, you can contact Messenger support for further assistance. They may be able to help you troubleshoot the problem. And by following these steps, you should be able to fix most common issues with Facebook Messenger. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.